In a growing food safety concern, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has issued a precautionary alert after traces of the radioactive isotope Cesium-137 were discovered in a shipment of frozen shrimp imported from Indonesia. The batch, processed by PT Bahari Makmur Jati, also known as BMS Foods, was stopped during a routine customs inspection before it could enter the U.S. marketplace. The inspection revealed Cesium-137, a radioactive byproduct of nuclear fission that is typically linked to nuclear reactor accidents and historical weapons testing. It does not occur naturally, and its presence in any food product raises immediate red flags. While the levels detected 68 becquerels per kilogram were far below the federal safety threshold, the FDA stresses that any detectable contamination must be taken seriously. Long-term exposure to elevated levels of Cesium-137 can increase cancer risks, making rapid intervention essential. The shipment had been scheduled for distribution to major metropolitan areas, including Los Angeles and Miami, once the contamination was confirmed. Federal regulators moved quickly to block the product from reaching consumers and began a wider review of related imports. The FDA has now placed BMS Foods on an import alert, temporarily preventing all shrimp products from the company from entering the United States while the investigation continues. As part of the precautionary measures, Walmart, America's largest retailer, has begun recalling select lots of its great value frozen shrimp across 13 states. Walmart clarified that the contaminated batch never reached its stores, but the recall aims to remove any potentially linked products and reassure customers that safety remains the company's top priority. This incident is now prompting international coordination. U.S. regulators are working with Indonesian authorities to trace the exact source of the contamination and to determine whether other items in the supply chain could pose similar risks. The case underscores the challenges of monitoring global food systems and the importance of strong safety controls as international trade expands. Officials are urging consumers to check their freezers and follow the FDA's recall guidance for any affected products. The investigation remains active, and more information is expected as additional testing is completed. This event serves as a reminder that even small irregularities in imported foods can carry major implications and that constant vigilance is essential to protect public health.